Here's an honest breakdown of Claude Pro versus Claude Max so you can decide which one is actually worth it for you. Claude Pro is the standard paid plan at around $20 per month. It gives you roughly 5 times more usage than the free plan, plus access to advanced models and features like Claude Code and deeper reasoning. For most people, whether you're writing, coding, researching, or doing daily tasks, Pro is more than enough. You can work consistently without hitting limits too fast, and many users are already earning from it through freelancing, content work, or coding projects. The downside is that if you're doing heavy sessions or running multiple projects, you will eventually hit usage limits and have to wait. Claude Max starts at around $100 per month and goes up to $200 per month. It gives you 5 to 20 times more usage than Pro, higher output limits, and priority access during peak times. This plan is built for developers, agencies, or people using Claude all day as part of a business workflow. The key thing to understand is that you are not getting new features, you are paying for more usage capacity. So here's the bottom line. Claude Pro is the right choice for most people. Claude Max is only worth it if you are constantly hitting Pro limits and need uninterrupted heavy usage every single day. If this helped you decide, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point content on Step by Click.